Oven usage tutorial. Check the appearance. Remove the protective film. Go to the right side of the printer. Remove the tape. This is a filtering device. There is filter cotton inside. Introduction to the back of the oven. Voltage setting. For example, the voltage in North America is usually 110 V. Set the corresponding voltage according to the voltage at home. Insert the power cord. Turn on power. The temperature control panel automatically lights up. The number jumping represents heating up. Up represents heating up. Click Set to unlock time setting. After unlocking, the countdown time can be adjusted up and down. Click Set Lock Setting again. If not locked, you cannot click Start. This is unlocking temperature settings. The default temperature is 120 degrees Celsius. The temperature can also be adjusted up and down. After setting, click Set to Lock. Need to wait for the temperature to rise to the set level before clicking Start. Small suction cup, used to remove grilled patterns. Add adhesive powder to the pattern. Shake off excess adhesive powder. Put the film paper with added adhesive powder into the oven. Click Start. Start countdown and wait for the countdown to end. After the countdown ends, the buzzer will sound. Click Start to turn off the sound. Use small suction cups. Take out the baked film paper. Baking completed. The rubber powder melted perfectly. Thank you for watching.